Read it yourself. Peppa Pig, Nature Trail. Peppa Pig and her family are going on a picnic in the woods. Daddy Pig has the map.
Wow!
We need the picnic too, says Mummy Pig. But the picnic is still in the car. In the woods, Peppa sees something on the ground. Look down there, says Peppa. I can see some footprints on the ground. Peppa and her family follow the footprints on the ground.
Wow!
A bird made these footprints, says Mummy Pig. Look up there in the tree, says Peppa. I can see some birds. There is a mummy bird and some little birds up in the tree. Then Peppa sees more little footprints on the ground. Look down there, says Peppa. I can see some ants. Peppa and her family are hungry. They need the picnic, but it is still in the car. Daddy Pig looks at the map. I don't know the way back to the car, he says. I know, says Peppa. I can see our footprints too. We can follow our footprints back to the car. Then it rains. The rain takes all the footprints away.
Oh no!
I know, says Peppa. I can see some ducks over there. Ducks love the rain and they love picnics. We can follow these ducks back to the picnic in our car. The hungry family follow the ducks all the way back to the car. I love picnics in the wood, says Peppa. The birds, the ants and the ducks love the picnic too. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.